Understanding Brake Dust, an essential guide for English learners. Hello and welcome, English explorers. Today we're diving into a phrase that's common, yet not often explained in language classes. Brake dust. It's a term you might encounter in everyday conversation, especially if you're interested in cars or mechanics. Let's clear the air on what this means and why it's important to know. Brake dust refers to the fine particles that are produced when the brake pads wear down during the process of slowing down or stopping a vehicle. It's a natural byproduct of the friction created between the brake pad and the brake disc. The dust is typically composed of metal filings, carbon compounds, and adhesive residues. This mix is the result of the high temperatures and pressures involved in braking. While it might sound technical, understanding these components helps us grasp why it's a topic of discussion beyond just mechanics. Why should we care about brake dust? Well, it's not just about dirty wheels. Brake dust can have environmental implications, as it contributes to airborne particulate matter. Moreover, it's a key point in conversations about vehicle maintenance and cleanliness. For car enthusiasts and owners, knowing about brake dust leads to discussions about cleaning techniques and products designed to reduce its buildup. It's also tied to preventive measures like choosing brake pads that produce less dust. And there we have it. Understanding the phrase, brake dust, is not just about language, but also about culture and practical knowledge. I hope this video has shed light on this dusty subject and added a new phrase to your English toolkit. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.